Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you to get unique values from array using traditional for loop and array method like includes. So let's get started. Let me define a variable result which is a type of array. Let's write for let I equals 0, I less than elements dot length plus plus I. Here I'll be validating on each iteration whether this value is included in this array. If it is not included, in that case we are going to push it into this result array. So to do that, I'll be adding one check if result dot includes elements of I, which should be not includes, to write only one check. And then if in this case, if it is not included in this array, in that case we are just going to push the element. So I've written the logic. Let's print and check. Here it is, I'm getting the relevant result. That's it. Thank you.